Continuing to track a few storms in southeastern Colorado, but those are going to move out of here as we head into your early Thursday morning. Tomorrow, I expect quiet conditions to start the day, but by the afternoon, storms are expected to return. And the storms we end up with tomorrow could become strong to severe, so it is looking like it's going to be a more active day than we had out there today. Taking a look at Skycast outside right now, as I mentioned, storms are going to continue to move out of here with lingering storms over southeastern Colorado through about 1 a.m. By 7 o'clock in the morning, though, everything is out of here. We'll have partly cloudy skies to start you off tomorrow, so an easy drive into work is expected. We'll keep the sunshine around through the early afternoon, but by 1 o'clock, storms begin popping up across the high country through the mid to late afternoon. That's when I expect the best potential for strong to severe storms around the Pikes Peak region. This is a look at 4 o'clock. Heavy rain over the burn scar, of course, would prompt flash flooding concerns. Large hail and gusty winds will also be possible with any storm that develops through the day tomorrow. That line of storms will continue sliding across places like Pueblo, Walsenburg, Trinidad through the evening by 8 o'clock. The focus of the storms is going to push out across the far eastern plains. The storms will continue to push off into Kansas, completely moving out of Colorado by about midnight with clearing skies once again into your early Friday morning. As I mentioned, the potential for severe weather is there. Flooding will be a big concern. Wind and hail will be other concerns. Tornado threat doesn't look overly impressive tomorrow, but of course, that is something that we will track very closely. Temperatures tonight will be dropping into the 50s and 60s. High temperatures tomorrow will be very similar to what we had out there today, with 80s and 90s across the lower elevations. Once the storms start rolling overhead, though, temperatures tend to drop off about 10 to 20 degrees, so it will cool noticeably once we get those storms to move over. 85 in Colorado Springs tomorrow, 90 on Friday. Friday, a 20% chance for storms. We drop it back to a 10% chance over the weekend. 20% chance for storms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, back to a 30% chance for storms with temperatures mostly in the 80s. In Pueblo, 92 degrees tomorrow, 97 on Friday. We'll dry it out over the weekend and into early next week. Good news, Pueblo, we're staying out of the triple digits for the next 7 days. In Canyon City, 90 degrees tomorrow, 95 on Friday. We'll dry it out over the weekend and into early next week. 90s lasting through Tuesday. We drop it into the 80s on Wednesday. And in Teller County tomorrow, 75 degrees, then 79 on Friday. We'll keep the 70s in place through the next 7 days with a daily chance for thunderstorms. And we have had a lot of water helping to bump up the flows across the Arkansas River. Here's a look at your water report. And we are still tracking high water through the Arkansas River, which means for maximum adventure, of course, if you are able to stay safe.
Maximum awesomeness.
Maximum awesomeness, indeed. So I've heard about some good times on the river, but obviously with the flows that high, you